Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's related to the AI benchmark comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the Realme X1 Max device. So we all do know the OnePlus Nord 2 has got the 1200 Dimensity processor with the AI chipset, as you can see in the OnePlus Nord 2 device, and whereas in the Realme X1 Max we do have the pretty normal Dimensity 1200. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers. Can you please compare using the AI benchmark, not the Antutu benchmark, not the Geek benchmark, only designed for the AI recognition? As you can see, this is the exact application which you can find in the Play Store as well. So that is what I'm going to exactly compare between both phones. So with AI chipset and without Dimensity 1002, only normal Dimensity 1200, we'll be able to compare side by side. So which phone has got what type of results? So will it affect any kind of this benchmark scores or not? So that's what I'm going to exactly compare in this video. So this is my first time doing this kind of AI benchmark comparison between these both phones. Even I'm really interested to see. Let's start the test without wasting any time. 1, 2, 3. So both phones test has begun at same time. As you can see friends, the test will take a couple of minutes exactly to finish, and during this time, so it will try to process different images and it will try to recognize. That is what this application is actually. So recognizing the objects and recognizing the subjects and everything, how fast the chipset was able to recognize. That is what it means. So let's see whether the AI will be anytime helpful in terms of increasing the benchmark scores in this application or not. And we do know the Dimensity 1200 AI chipset might be helpful for the camera and display purpose, but let's see whether this will be anything increasing the score. So I'm not saying this will be definitely increasing the score. I'm just trying to do for the demonstration purpose. So even this is my first time seeing in front of the camera only what will be the difference between both phones. Even I am really very interested and very curious to see. So normal Dimensity 1200 versus Dimensity 1200 AI chipset. So in case if you are interested in this kind of videos, so don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button, because that will really helping me a lot in terms of motivating me and supporting me. So I'll be able to do this kind of unique kind of videos as much as possible. So this is going to be really very interesting test on the chipset. As you can see, different results we are trying to get, different stages. I've started the test at same time in both phones, but the OnePlus Nord 2, the test is finishing slightly faster than the Realme X1 Max, just a little bit. It's not much, but I just want to say. And during this time, this doesn't consume much temperature and much battery at all. So you don't need to worry about temperatures during this test results, nothing. So there will be 14 different sections like right now, 14 stages of doing this kind of benchmarks. So right now we're in the 4th stage, I think so, at this moment. As you can see, the speed and the time taken to recognize these images, that is what it means. Right now we are going to the 5th stage. So right now, as you can see friends, we're in the 9th stage. So 9 by 14 the time, the stage number it is. So this is going to be really very interesting. And let's check the temperatures. It's not much, as you can see. It's very same. It's pretty close to each other, only both phones. So 35 and 35, 34.8. Nothing much different. So no need to worry about the temperatures. I can keep it side. There are only, I think, 4 more stages to go, and then we'll be able to see the difference. So in case if you want me to compare this kind of benchmarks with other phones, let me know in the comment section what other phones you want to compare side by side. Definitely I can do that kind of comparison side by side. So in this way you'll be able to understand what is happening as well. And here you will be able to see some kind of message saying RAM utilization, something related to the RAM. As you can see in the bottom, so RAM utilization is higher in the OnePlus Nord 2, 58%. So let's see what happens. And we are very close to reach the final stage as well. Again, I just want to show you in this kind of test the RAM utilization and the RAM percentage of it utilizing. So right now the OnePlus Nord 2 is slightly faster than the Realme X1 Max, just a little bit, not much, nothing much. So I'm not trying to use any kind of high performance mode or anything that does. I think this application doesn't require any kind of high performance mode. This is just a testing of the chipset. So let's check the temperatures. 36.4 and 36.2 degrees. So right now the temperature slightly kind of increased, just a little bit, not much, but both phones are maintaining exactly kind of same. So to identify between both phones, I did use the full screen gestures in this phone, and Realme X1 Max I have the navigation bar button. So in this way you'll be able to understand which phone is what phone. So you should not be confused. So we got the final score in the OnePlus Nord 2, which has got 158.1, and the Realme X1 Max has got 140.5. You can see the difference how it is between both phones. So with Dimensity 1200 AA chipset and with Dimensity 1200 chipset, you can see the difference how is the between the scores, as you can see. So let's compare with the other phones, other phones are in terms of the benchmarks, in terms of the AA benchmarks. So you'll be able to get a clear idea what is happening. So these are the score comparison with the previous phones, what they are given in this application. You can actually compare with the previous phones as well in this way, using these phones, as you can see. And I'm trying to use the same kind of settings only during this process of demonstration. As you can see, exactly same settings, nothing got changed, everything is pretty same in both phones I'm trying to use. And this is a quick comparison, friends, between the AA scores of the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the Realme X1 Max. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile, signing off. Bye.